Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take sea moss using an easy method. First, understand that sea moss is a natural superfood packed with essential minerals. It supports overall wellness, from digestion to skin health. We'll focus on simple, effective ways to incorporate it into your daily routine without fuss. Get ready to boost your health effortlessly. The most popular way to consume sea moss is by making a gel. Start by rinsing your raw sea moss very well to remove any debris. Then, soak it in filtered water for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, until it expands. Finally, blend the softened sea moss with fresh water until you achieve a smooth, consistent gel texture.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: to make storing your homemade sea moss gel or any meal prep super easy, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're a game changer for keeping things fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once you have your sea moss gel, incorporating it into your diet is incredibly easy. A common method is adding 1 to 2 tablespoons to your daily smoothie for a nutrient boost. You can also stir it into your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or even mix it into soups, sauces, and salad dressings without altering the flavor significantly. If making gel isn't for you, there are other convenient ways to take sea moss. Capsules provide a pre-measured daily dose, perfect for busy schedules. Powdered sea moss can be easily mixed into your favorite drinks or protein shakes. For a more enjoyable experience, many brands now offer tasty sea moss gummies, making it simple to get your daily intake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.